What is going on, everyone? Joe G here. Thanks for stopping by my channel. We are back with another demo video here for you. We have Laser Sabers fountain from Iron Man Fireworks. Iron Man Fireworks is a brand that I have not used before, never shot any of their products. So this little fountain right here will be the first one. Let's take a look at the rest of the fountain and we'll see if it's going to look like that. If we have a performance on here, yes we do. Let's take a look at that. Red light beam, gold light beam, green light beam, multicolor light beam. Alright guys, let's go check this out.